So the last time I posted how to add tags and how to add hashtags to your video, that is word relating to your video. Some people ask and say, how will they know word relating to your video? How will you get word relating to your video? Now it's very easy with AI, with Mentor AI and all the rest of them. It's very easy to get word relating to your video, to use as hashtag, to use as tag, to use as SEO and all. So in this video today, I'm going to be teaching you how to get tags, word relating to your video. Hello wonderful people, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get how to get tags relating to your videos. A lot of people are finding it difficult looking for tags, cracking their head on tags, on word relating to their video that they are going to use for the tags that they are going to use for hashtag. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get it. It's very easy now that we have Mentor AI, now that we have all those AI. You can use it to your advantage now. And I'm even going to teach you how to get description for that your video. Yes, let's just dive into it. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you all. Okay, first, after making your video, for you, after making your video, you can go ahead to upload it. Put it on list before you put the necessary things you need to put in place. Put it on list. Then let's go ahead. You go to your you go to your YouTube studio, the desktop version of it. Login the desktop version of your YouTube studio. Just allow it to load. Yep, my network is good. Okay. Oof. I guess. Okay. It has loaded. So I'm going to go straight to the video. You go to your content. Go to your content. Okay, it's already on video. Click on the video you want to look for tags and hashtag to. Let's just use this my latest video. You click on it. Then you swipe to the left. See this place that there's subtitle, end screen and cards. You click on subtitle. This YouTube used to give you the subtitle after making your video. If you upload it, YouTube will automatically generate the subtitle, like the what's your script, the scripts to your video, whatever you said in your video, YouTube will automatically generate it for you. So you go ahead to copy all. You go ahead to copy all. Mm, okay. Copy. As you have copied everything, you go to your Mentor AI on your WhatsApp. You paste the script there. Then you go down. This is the script script to my video. I need a description SEO tags to it, and you just send it. You send it and wait for it to reply you. Okay, here is the script. You can see it. This is the script. Beware of phishing scam and suspicious link. YouTube creators, be careful. And funny how this is what I talked about in my video. Why the SEO tags? This is what you can use for your SEO tag. YouTube account security, protect your YouTube channel, phishing scam on YouTube. Then on your hashtag, you can use this on your hashtag. It's very simple now. And if you don't want to use this Mentor AI, some people are using, I think, a WhatsApp business, and on WhatsApp business, because my WhatsApp business does not have this Mentor AI, you can go ahead on your Google Gemini app. You can just same thing I wrote there. So you go ahead to add all these tags to it. It's very, very simple. For those of you that are having troubles looking for tags and all, cracking your head on where to get your hashtag, where to get what relating to your video, you can see it is clear here. They even gave me description. That description fits my video, exactly what I said in my video. So this is it, and we have come to the end of today's video. If you have not yet liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please click on the like button, like the video, comment on the video, and if you have any question, you can just write in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. Share this video, and once again subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post, you get notified that I have posted. And see you all in my next video. Bye.